This digital stickers product has made at least $213,000 on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to break down how to create and sell a digital product like this in a hot niche that nobody's talking about: sustainability. You don't need any skills, experience, or money to build this business up, so let's get started. Step 1. Understand the niche. Digital stickers and icons are popular because people use them in planners, on social media, or for small business branding. When you focus on an eco-friendly theme, like designs inspired by nature, you tap into a growing market of buyers who care about sustainability. Many sellers offer bundles with lots of options, which customers prefer, but creating that many designs can feel daunting. I found a way to speed it up using a free tool and a repeatable process. You don't need advanced skills or hours of free time, just a computer and about half an hour. By the end, you'll have a full product ready to sell and a delivery system that's easy for buyers to use. Step 2. Create your base design. Head over to Canva and sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, click Create a Design and a drop-down menu appears. Select Custom Size from that list. In the width box, type 1000, and in the height box, type 1000 again, then press Enter. This gives you a square canvas of 1000 by 1000 pixels, which is a good size for digital stickers. It's large enough to show details clearly, but small enough to work smoothly in digital files like planners or branding kits. Next, you need colors that match the eco-friendly theme. Colors set the tone, and for sustainability, natural shades work best. In another tab, open Canva again. In the search bar at the top of Canva, type Nature Color Palette and press Enter. A bunch of templates will show up. Scroll through them until you find one with earthy tones, like greens, browns, or soft blues, something that feels connected to nature. Click on the one you like. I'll go for this one. Then click Customize this template. This opens a new design with little color swatches. Click and drag your mouse over all the swatches to highlight them, then press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy them. Go back to your 1000 by 1000 design by clicking its tab, then click Add Page at the bottom of the screen. On this new page, press Ctrl and V to paste the swatches. Now you have a reference for your colors right in the same project. Go to the first page, which should be blank. Click anywhere on the blank canvas and look at the toolbar. Click on Background Color. Under Document Colors, you'll see all of the swatches. Pick the one you like best, like a soft green, and click it to apply it to the background. This sets the base for your eco-friendly look. Now add a border to give the sticker some space around the edges. Press the R key on your keyboard, and a rectangle appears on the canvas. Grab the corners with your mouse and drag them until the rectangle is about 950 by 950 pixels, leaving a little padding on all four sides. Select the rectangle and click Color in the toolbar. Click the checkerboard pattern to make it transparent, so the green background shows through. Then, click on Border Style and pick the first line option to add a border. You'll see the circle here that says Border Color. Click that and pick white or a light shade from your swatches, like a pale beige, to outline the rectangle cleanly. Now, let's add text to carry the eco message. Press T on your keyboard, and a text box pops up on the canvas. Type a sample phrase like "plant more trees" to get started. In the toolbar at the top, click the Font drop-down menu and scroll through the options. Look for something that feels natural, like a sans serif font or one with a hand-drawn style, and click it to apply. I'll go for Sigger. Then adjust the size by clicking the number next to the font name, typing a number between 60 and 90 depending on the font you choose. To finish the base design, add a small eco icon. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then type Leaf or Tree into the search bar at the top of that panel and press Enter. Filter the options to show graphics. Scroll through the options until you see a simple, minimalist design, like a single leaf or a tiny tree. Click it to add it to the canvas, then drag the corners to resize it to about 150 pixels wide. Move it by clicking and dragging until it sits just above the text. This is your starting template, and now you'll make a lot more. Step 3. Bulk create your stickers. To make a variety of stickers, you need a list of eco-friendly phrases. Open a new tab in your browser and head over to ChatGPT. Sign up for free if you need to and log in. In the text input box, give this prompt. List 50 short eco-friendly phrases, 3 words each, no bullets or numbers, and press Enter. Highlight the first phrase by clicking and dragging over it, then press Ctrl and C to copy. Switch back to Canva, click your text box, delete "plant more trees" by hitting backspace, and paste the new phrase with Ctrl and V. Check how it looks, and adjust the size or spacing with the toolbar options if the words don't sit right. Now, go back to ChatGPT and highlight all 50 phrases by clicking and dragging over the whole list, then copy them with Ctrl and C. In Canva, look at the left sidebar, click Apps and type Bulk Create into the search bar that appears. Click the Bulk Create option when it shows up, then choose Enter Data Manually from the menu. A table opens up. Click inside the table to select it, delete any text that's already there by pressing backspace, and paste your 50 phrases with Ctrl and V. At the top of the table, click the column title, type Eco Phrases, and press Enter to save it. Connect the phrases to your design. Click the text box on your canvas, then right-click it with your mouse. A menu pops up, and you'll see Connect Data as an option. Click that, and a small drop-down appears. Select Eco Phrases from the list, and it links the text box to your table. At the bottom of the Bulk Create panel, click Continue. Canva will show a preview of all 50 designs with different phrases. Click Generate at the bottom, and it creates them. A new tab opens with all 50 stickers. At the bottom of this new tab, click the Grid View button, which looks like a little square made of smaller squares, to see all the designs at once. Scroll through them with your mouse or arrow keys to make sure the text fits and looks centered on each one. If anything's misaligned, click that page, adjust the text box, and move on. Just like that, you've made 50 stickers. If you want to create 100, 200, or even 500 stickers, just repeat the process using different color schemes and different phrases. Step 4. Export and set up a delivery system. Export your sticker files next. Click Share in the top right corner, then click Download from the dropdown. In the Download menu, select PNG as the file type. Make sure All Pages is checked, and click Download. Wait for it to finish. On your computer, create a new folder by right-clicking on your desktop or in a File Explorer window, selecting New Folder and naming it Eco Sticker Bundle. Open each downloaded file, find the PNGs, and drag all of them into this folder. Right-click the folder, choose Compress or Zip, depending on your system, and let it create a single .zip file. This keeps everything together for customers. Set up a delivery system now. Open Google Drive in a new browser tab. Click New in the top left and select Folder from the menu. Name it Eco Sticker Bundle Delivery and press Enter. Drag your .zip file from your computer into this folder. Click the folder name at the top to highlight it, then click the Share button. In the Sharing menu, click the drop-down next to Restricted. Change it to Anyone with the link, and click Copy Link at the bottom. Paste this link into a text file or somewhere you can find it later. Create a delivery PDF in Canva to share with buyers. Click Create a Design and select Letter Size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. On the left sidebar, click Elements, type Button into the search bar, and press Enter. Pick a simple button design, click it to add it, and drag it to a good spot on the page. Resize it by pulling the corners if it's too big. Click the button, then click the three-dot menu in the toolbar at the top. Select Link from the options. Paste your Google Drive link into the box with Ctrl and V, and click Done. Add your logo by clicking Uploads on the left. Selecting your logo file from your computer and dragging it onto the page. Drag one sample sticker PNG from your sets into the Upload section too, then place it on the PDF. Press T for a text box. Type a note like, "Download your eco-friendly stickers here," and adjust the font and size in the toolbar. When it looks good, click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard, and save it. Step 5. List your stickers. You can list your stickers as a digital product on any platform like Creative Market, Gumroad, and Etsy. The principles stay the same no matter what. Let's say you're listing your stickers on Etsy. Open Etsy in a browser, log in, and click Sell in the top menu. Click Add a Listing or Create a Listing depending on your account. Upload a mock-up image by clicking the Photo section, selecting a PNG of one sticker on a planner or screen, and hitting Open. In the title field, type 50 eco-friendly digital stickers and icons bundle. Scroll to the tag section and add words like eco stickers, sustainable icons, and digital planner in separate boxes. Find the Files section. Click Add a file, select your PDF, and upload it. Set the price between $3 and $10 by typing it into the price box, depending on how many stickers you create. Click Save or Publish at the bottom to make it live. After listing, each sale brings passive income without much more work. You can adjust colors or add new icons later if you want variety, but the foundation is there. What do you think about the eco-friendly niche? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.